Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you what I did with this month's Felicity Jane kit. So I'm going to start with the Traveler's Notebook. This is 4 by 8 and I used the tag right there and the butterfly and some stickers. And then I haven't decorated it yet, but that's a Traveler's Notebook. Next, this one is a mini album. Right there you can see Megan right there, and I spelled adventure. Just a regular mini album that I have not put anything in yet. I'm still waiting for some adventures. Here's some samples. Sample embellishments. Coffee cups, of course. As always. And more stuff. This is really cute. I like this a lot. I'm sorry about the glare. Oops. Cute. This is another cute one. I like making my own embellishments. It's not too dark for you. Some bows. You can set some bows in between things. Paper bows. So cute. And simple. Right there. Beautiful. This kit has so many beautiful colors. It's unbelievable. So easy to create because everything matches amazingly. Super cute, guys. So easy. Use your scraps and go to town. Anyway, again, this is Kristianne from Kristianne's Crafty Adventures. I hope you had a wonderful time, and I hope you enjoyed my project share for today. Take care and have a crafty day. Bye!